Hi everybody, this is Barefoot Sal Rodriguez of North Hollywood, California. I'm here with my personal review of Indian clubs. I've got a 1 pound pair and I've got a 2 pound pair. I had a great time with these things today at 24 Hour Fitness in Glendale. I had a really great workout with these things. Now I'm not going to demonstrate because there's a lot of people online doing great demonstrations of the proper utilization of the Indian clubs. People like former UFC champion Pat Miletich demonstrating for you. So I'm not going to try to outdo them. I can only share with you my personal experience. And that is what a great time that I had. Now, don't be misled, especially if you've had a lot of weight training experience like I have, thinking that a 1 pound or 2 pound is not going to be that much or not going to be challenging. Let me tell you something. I really felt it, and I'm fairly strong. I used the 1 pounders for about 30 minutes. Earlier this morning, I used the 2 pounders for about 20 minutes earlier today. And you're going to feel it. You're going to feel blood rushing to your shoulders, and it's going to feel great. Now, most of us have been trained and programmed to utilize linear motions in bodybuilding, like stuff like this, stuff like this, stuff like this, stuff like this. These work your shoulders in multi-dimensions, full rotational experience when you're using these things. So if you want to even start off at half pounders, you can do that. They have half pounders available for those of you that are maybe seniors, or you want to be cautious, or maybe you're rehabbing your shoulders, or you just want to be careful. So you can try half pounders. I got these from a website called performbetter.com. I've had lots of experience with them. They sell great products at fairly decent prices. I was able to get free shipping. Make sure whenever you buy anything online that has any significant weight to it that you try to get free shipping, because I probably saved about 20 bucks in shipping. They shipped it from Rhode Island, I believe, to North Hollywood, California, and this pair and an instructional DVD was about $98 or $99 out the door, so that was really great. Just a couple of words of advice I'd like to give to people that are trying Indian clubs for the first time. One is give yourself plenty of space, plenty of room. Last night I messed around with these in my living room. Don't do that. I had the cats over there, I had the TV over there, I had the computer over there, I had my girlfriend over there. Don't do that. Give yourself plenty of space and room. Also, particularly with these ones, I don't know what it's like with the wood ones. I've never used wooden. Indian clubs are traditionally made of wood. These are some sort of polycarbonate. What that is, I don't know. But it's fairly sturdy. These are really rugged and strong. But if you notice, this is smooth here. It's got a smooth texture. So today, after sweating, they did slip out of my hands once. So be careful. Make sure your hands are dry. Make sure that you've got a really good grip, because they did slip out of my hands. And I'm a fairly careful person, but it happens. So be careful about that. So anyway, I had a really great time. These will be a part of my workout. I feel they've reinvigorated my workout, and I had a really great time. So if you see me around there, say hi. Barefoot Sal Rodriguez, North Hollywood, California. We'll see you out there on the road. Go barefoot.